Welcome to the Ramjet Bros. Please like and subscribe below. Today we're going to teach you how to make amazing pancakes. Ingredients: we will need a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 egg. For this recipe, we're going to mix all our wet ingredients, that's our milk, our eggs, and our oil, and then we're going to add our dry ingredients, which is our sugar and our flour, until we get a nice batter. And what's pancake without some whiskey? Now that our batter is ready, we're going to oil our pan, put it on medium heat, then we're going to add some of our batter to the pan, and as soon as we see it start bubbling and creates a skin over, we can flip it over. Now that the pancake is done, what I like is cinnamon sugar on top of mine. And that's very easy. You just take some white sugar, take some cinnamon, mix it together and sprinkle it on top. Perfection.